Hello everyone, you're welcome to Omode One Maths class. We have a problem to solve today. The problem is solve the equation x plus 2 over x minus 1 equals to 1 over 2. Now the solution. Now the first thing to do, we have to cross multiply. So if we cross multiply this by this, so this times this is 2 open bracket x plus 2 close bracket equals to 1 open bracket x minus 1 close bracket. That's the first step. We cross multiply. Now the next thing to do is we open up the bracket by multiplying 2 with all what is inside the bracket. So x, 2 times x is what? 2x plus 2 times 2 is what? 4 equals to 1 times x is what? X. 1 times minus 1 is what? Minus 1. Now the next thing to do is to collect like terms. Collect like terms. Like terms are those items, terms that are alike. So you say 2x minus x equals to minus 1 when a plus sign cross equal sign become minus 4. So 2x minus x is what? X. Then minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Now that becomes the final answer. Remember the step again, you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you open up the bracket. When you open up the bracket, you collect like terms. And when you collect like terms, you have 2x minus x is equals to minus 1 minus